And this is first day mock interview on day one, and present is available in that line. His name Rahul. We are starting from mock interview day one, and this is from day one mock interview. And please subscribe our channel. We will upload and more interviews of like this, and who will job seekers or any experienced candidates. It will be helpful our channel and be support me. Yeah, can you please introduce about yourself, Mr. Rahul?
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. My name is Rahul, a DevOps engineer with 5 years of experience in the industry, and my expertise spans in several critical areas of modern software development and operations. I'm a proficient in a version control system using Git, and I have a hands-on experience with a continuous integration through Jenkins. So, in terms of configuration management, we are using Ansible to streamline the process. So my skills also included containerization with Docker and Kubernetes. So we are enabling efficient deployment and scaling up applications. For monitoring and logging, we are rely on a Grafana to ensure the system performance and reliability. So in our organization, we are additionally leverage the infrastructure as a code tools such as a Terraform to automate the infrastructure. And these tools, I am a proficient about the leveraging these tools. So to build scalable, reliable in the software system. So this is all about me, sir.
Yes, yes, very great, great about you, very great.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm asking about, and do you know about Git?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and tell me, and how did you enter about your project, and what types, and how you follow the structure, and how you utilize that tool Git?
Sir, actually, in our project, so we are using a Git for a source control system. So in that, actually, developer pushes the code into the Git. So it's a trigger in the entire pipeline, sir. So which is in a Jenkins, which is acts as a continuous integration. So as soon as the code is committed, so Jenkins pulls the latest changes and it runs. So we are using a Sonar queue for a static code analysis to potential issues and everything. So which is earlier. So after that, we are using a tree into the pipeline to scan the Docker images for vulnerabilities. Once the Docker images is cleared, Jenkins handle the building Docker images to push into our container registry. From there, our Kubernetes takes over the container orchestration. So ensure the application is deployed and scalable in the cluster. So after that, we are using the Argo CD for the GitOps based project. So it keeps an eye in the repository. After that, we are using a Git repo reflected in the Kubernetes cluster automatically. Throughout this entire process, we are relying on Terraform. Sir. So we are provisioning and managing infrastructure whenever it's setting up a Jenkins, deploying Sonar Cube, even managing a Kubernetes cluster also. So Terraform makes it easy to our infrastructure consistency and scalable across the different environments. That's which is entire in the Git only. We are using in our organizations.
Super, super. I understand. And are you using from that CI/CD tools, and which one are you using from your current company?
So in our current company, we are using Jenkins.
Okay, 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 okay. Jenkins, and what is CI?
CI means continuous integration, sir.
Okay, what about
So
CD?
CD means the continuous deployment. Continuous deployment in the sense, we are using a Kubernetes. In the Kubernetes, it's a deployment. So in that we are using Argo CD. Argo CD means it's only deployment. Yeah.
Okay, and are you work from that infrastructure has a Terraform? Are you implement this in your current company?
Yes, we are using, sir. Actually, what happens, we are using Terraform throughout our entire project. We are relying on Terraform only. If Why? Because it's a very useful tool. So we have a modular structure also. So if you want a new project means we can implement that same module. That's the reason why we are using a Terraform.
Okay. And what about your using from the configuration management?
Yeah, configuration management, we are using Ansible, but I'm not much about the Ansible. We are not implemented in our project, but I know just the theoretical knowledge.
Okay, 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 okay. Very great. And another one, what about and Docker?
Yeah, sir, we are using Docker in our project because Docker is a containerization tool. So in that tool, this is a lightweight actually. If you compare with a virtual machine and a Docker, so Docker is which is a very lightweight, and we can use a n number of containers in the Docker, and we can implement it in Kubernetes also. That's the reason we are using Docker in our project.
Mhm. Oh, great, great. And what about you tools are using from in current company on the monitoring and the visualization?
So in our current company, we are using the monitoring tools like Grafana and Prometheus. So visualization tools.
Okay. Mm-hmm. It's great. And tell me what are that you maintenance about security purpose on your application? Which one are you using?
Sir, we are using a Sonar Cube for vulnerabilities test. And if you talk about the Docker, we are using a Tree. So TV is like image scanning, and a Sonar Cube for a continuous integration tool. We are using a Jenkins. We are deploying in the Jenkins only. We are using a Sonar Cube.
Okay, okay. Okay, are you working any Kubernetes?
Yeah. We are using a Kubernetes also.
Okay. Okay, do you have any idea about Kubernetes manifest file?
Yeah, sir. I just know, but I joined the company, so I'm not much about this manifest plan, but I know some little bit idea.
Okay, okay, no issue, no problem, no problem. Okay, okay. And are you which cloud are you using from current company?
Sir, in our current company, we are using AWS, which is Amazon Cloud Web Services.
Okay,
So in
okay,
that Amazon Web Services, we are using EC2, S3, Lambda. Lambda is a serverless architecture, and EKS, EKS, CKE. So like that, we are using these services because we are using frequently. But we don't have any credential from our team. AWS administration only give the credential. So that is only read only permission. So we are using like that.
okay. And are you using any? Do you know about an S3?
Yes. S3 is like a, yeah, which is a simple storage service. Why we use the S3 means S3 is a which is a biggest advantages in our organization because this will store all components in the S3. So apart from that, in a Terraform actually we have a state lock. So those are also we are storing in the S3. That's the reason we are using S3.
Oh, great, great. And wonderful interview and Rahul and this is and very good. I will get back with HR and what's your performance. I will get back with HR. Okay.
Thank, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much and nice talk to with you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.